Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to set up payments on your Wix site? In this video, you will learn how to connect Razorpay to your Wix website, enabling seamless transactions and providing your customers with a secure payments option. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, in this video, we are going to go through few steps. The first one is to enable the fact that you have a payment throughout your site, and then how to add the Razorpay as a payment gateway to your site. Now, first of all, when you select a site and you go, for example, let me go to this one, and you open the dashboard of that specific site. The dashboard will be looking something like that. When you go to the payments, which is gonna be either in this area on this left side or like here, so you can connect and setup, or basically you could go to settings and search for the payment option, so you can get here, choose a way to get accept payment, and you will be able to add them. In this area, guys, you need to understand something, that before you go through this, you have to understand that you have to get the premium version to get the payments, to accept the online payment. So start accepting online payment today by upgrading to a premium plan. So what is the premium plan that we have to get in order to accept online payment? Well, first of all, here let's go down, and as you can see, you will have here a couple of options that will explain, or features for each plan. There's the Lights, Core, Business, and Business Elite. Now, to understand fully what are the plans that accept payments, you have to go down to the payment tools. In this area, you will find accept payments, and let's go to the cheapest one, which is Core. So the Lite doesn't accept online payment. The only one that accepts it, which is the least one that you can get, is the Core. Of course, Business and Business Elite have them as well. Now, once you get this, then you will be able, of course, to add the payment gateway to your site. Now let's leave. So let's say that you have added it. Now, as you can see, accept payments. Now, if I searched, or I seen like the payment that I can accept, there's only PayPal and manual payments. If I clicked on see more payments, you have Pays on and Payment Wall, which are not really Razorpay. So how can we add Razorpay? Well, first of all, there is some conditions that you need to understand, which are basically mentioned in this article by Wix Help Center. So accept payments from your customers in India using Razorpay as a payment provider. Should general informations, the supported countries are only India. The supported currencies are only Indian rupees. So you need to understand these two. So once you create your site, if the region wasn't India, it will not show you basically this payments gateway. So let's change it to India. And as you can see here, once I have changed it, the accept payments exactly like straight away we have here Razorpay. So payment provider Razorpay allows you to accept credits and debit cards, UPI, net banking, BNPL, AME, and wallet payment. So here, this is all you need to do. Simply head up to your payments, accept payments, change the actual region to India, and there we go. This will allow you to accept credits and debit card, UPI, and so on. Now to connect it, you simply have to click on connect, and these are the steps that you have to follow. Now getting back to this page, there is something that you have to note and understand. Transaction fees, basically, it's going to start from 2% per transactions. There's a note that currency used in your Wix account must match the currency in your Razorpay accounts. If currencies do not match, the transaction may be declined. So make sure to change your currency. If you don't know how to change it, you simply have to go to currency. As you can see here, regional settings. Let me just copy this real quick. Your currency. Yep, here it is. And as you can see, here it is the currency. Change it to the here it is, the Indian rupee. And as you can see here, changing currency, make sure the payment providers that operate in your location are able to accept it. I'm gonna choose this. Okay, got it. And then don't forget to save. Just like that, I have the currency changed. Going back to the page of the payments, getting paid, connection setup, connect payment method, and let's say Razorpay. Here you have everything explained to you in detail. So how can you connect this? These are the connect instructions. So to connect your Razorpay account, enter your Razorpay credentials in the form below. You receive these credentials from Razorpay when your account was approved. Then click on connect. Your Razorpay account will be connected to your Wix account. If you can't find your credentials or won't connect, contact Razorpay. If you don't have an account already, you will have to create one through Razorpay. And guys, it is not that easy. Razorpay is basically an Indian company that will accept only in India, as you can see. So in case you would like to create an account, well, obviously you will have to get an Indian number, Indian SSN, and like you have to have an Indian identity to be able to log into Razorpay and get it. So this is mainly like the option for Indians. In case you're not an Indian, then you should really look for another payment gateway to help you with the Indian currency and to get accepted with the Indian currency. Now here are the account information that you have to put. There's the key ID, the key secrets, and the site URL. Just after or right after you put them in here, you simply have to click on connect, and just like that, congratulations, you have created a payment option for your users, which is Razorpay. So no longer Indians are gonna be stressful about the payments and how they're gonna pay through your website. Now they have Razorpay, and your conversions might be boosted, especially if majority of people that are visiting your site are Indians. Then this will help you a lot to boost your site conversions, to boost your sales, and whatever things you are doing on your site. So yeah, this is basically it for today's video. If you have any like questions, here there are some other questions that are basically mentioned. For example, the Razorpay notify me when a payment is made. You must integrate with the Razorpay webhooks to receive notification whenever a payment is made on your website. How can I tell payment method is active? You will find it like that, active. Is my currency supported? You have to know here. So currency is Indian rupees, so any other currency would not be working. What is the minimum amount of payments? There is a threshold of $1.01. So yeah, these are some information that you should check by yourself and understand. And that was pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.